Are you ready to make some Grinchy pens? I'm so excited. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, now I'm going to show you because there was a mess up, and then I'm going to show you how I recovered. So first, I started with some water slide from Michael's. And I'm going to tell you right now, I thought I was being slick by not putting any sealer on it because I was using my laser printer. So I printed it, put it in the water, and it was slime ball city. Gross. Total fail. So to recover, I printed this sheet of all my little sayings off on my laser printer. I put packing tape on top, cut them out, put them back in the water. Okay? I know. Friends, yes, it has to be a laser printer, but it is so worth it. Watch this. If you let it soak, as you let it soak, the paper on the back is going to peel off. Look at this. And then the letters or whatever design you printed is going to stay. I love this method. I love it. It was worth every bit of money I spent on my laser printer to be able to do this. All right, so let those dry. Once they're dry, remember that pen we made the other day? Well, now we're going to stick this on to our pen. And I'm doing this to show you that you don't have to have a vinyl cutter to make pretty things, right? We can do these things with packing tape on a laser printer. I'm just saying. So I put this on, make sure it's nice and smooth. Look at how pretty already. Then I hit it with a little bit of heat just to make sure that it really adheres, and then smooth it out. I love it already, right? Well, then we're going to continue with our Crystalac, and this is Grand Finale, and I'm going to put another probably 3-4 layers of it. You put a layer on, let it dry for 2 hours. Put a layer on, let it dry for 2 hours. Once that's dry and fully dry, probably about 4 hours, I then put my pen back together, and I can't wait to show you what we do. So, and you're just putting, like, you put the cap in, then you put the ink in. Keep in mind, these are refillable. So you can buy ink, gel, refills. So this isn't a one and done. I'm just telling you. And see, it works beautifully. But wait, look what I found on Amazon. Are you ready? Look at this. Oh my God. It is the best fur. It's faux fur, and I am there for it. So I cut, it's about 1.5 inches. And see how I put a line there? We're going to fold that in half, just like this. And then I'm going to separate the fur just so that we don't cut a bunch of it off. So see how I kind of parted it. I even used a comb. And then we're going to cut it. And then we're going to fold that in half as well. Just because we only need about 1/2 inch wide to go around the pen. So it's about 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches-ish. Then we're going to put some hot glue on our faux fur. I love saying that. Put some hot glue on it, and it depends on which way you want the fur facing. It's up to you entirely. And then I put the pen on it, and then I just roll it. Again, we put hot glue on the entirety of that back of that faux fur. Then roll it on. Press it really hard, but stop it right now. This is hysterical to me. I will use this pen all year long. Yes, I made one for my husband because he is a Grinch fanatic. But look, I can't. Look at how funny this is. Stop it. Like, Grinch, please. And I made a whole bunch of different ones. Grinch mode on, 100% that. Stop. I just love it. I'm there for it. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.